I had been receiving massage since about 2014.
I started doing massage therapy for myself just for anxiety and pain reasons.
I know personally the benefits of massage. I decided to do a career change and make massage therapy my new career. I chose Stark State College because some of the massage therapists who I had been seeing actually graduated from this program. I was a regular client of theirs and thought, gosh, if I could learn the same thing, that would be amazing.
I liked the idea of a very hands-on approach to my learning. I've also just heard great things from people who have came here.
Our students learn a variety of procedures. We'll give them a little bit of exposure to all the different types of treatment options that are out there. One of the first things that we teach them is how to do just a relaxation massage, or what they call a Swedish massage.
As we've gone along and learned all the anatomy and physiology, we're learning a lot of clinical massage, which is more in-depth.
We have our labs on Fridays where we get to alternate massaging each other. Our professor walks around, gives us tips, critiques in real time, which is awesome.
We have access to a lot of different tools. We are trained to use hot stones. We do cupping. We have hot therapy as well, where we're able to use hot packs.
In addition to the classroom time, they're required to complete 80 hours of clinical experience. Our massage clinic, it's open to the outside public. Students are able to work on real patients and real life conditions and get some real world experience.
It's completely different than just learning about what to do from a textbook. We get to actually do it, which prepares you for whenever you're out of the classroom.
They get to see all the different body types and all the body sizes and all the different issues that people come into the clinic with.
The career path for a massage therapist is really dependent on the massage therapist.
You can create your own schedule pretty much with how you want to book your clients.
If you don't want to report to anyone, if you want to choose your own clients, if you want to be your own boss and have your own business, we learn about that in our procedures class.
You could be your own lone standing practitioner. You can be with other massage therapists. There's spa clinics.
We're seeing massage therapy be a little bit more incorporated into medical settings like hospitals and chiropractors' offices, and so the demand for them have gone up dramatically. I think what makes the program at Stark State College unique is our faculty.
They have been their own practitioners for years before they actually got into teaching.
They each have their own specialties, their own techniques, and different tools that they like.
Lectures are also interesting. They're actually speaking to you in a way that you can digest.
We are going to do everything that we possibly can, whether it's offering some additional studying, some tutoring sessions.
Stark State College is just completely doable. It's inclusive. Everybody here is equipped and willing to help you get through and meet your goals.